Yo, what's
what's
up?
up?
We are in Ubud today.
Especially we are in Jalan in Banjarnyu Kuning Ubud. As you see, this area is famous for the Eat, Pray, Love.
We're gonna explore a little bit, show you and explore a little bit of new areas of Ubud today. So stay tuned, guys. The area looks very beautiful, as you see, local, and the local ladies going to pray somewhere. And there are here also local houses everywhere around. So looks beautiful. And we're gonna hit this direction. If you're gonna go this road straight and straight is the monkey forest.
Okay, so now we are strolling. Driving around Jalan New Kuning Ubud. It's
New
beautiful
Kuning.
housing complex.
Yeah, beautiful local houses living, local houses around. There is also some construction renovation. And if we're gonna go straight all the time, we're gonna arrive in the monkey forest, but on the other side.
So this area you see is just like I can say look like a Penglipuran, similar like you know.
Local Balinese village, but
Yeah.
looks really nice. It's really like local people taking care of this area. Also here there are some villas and guest houses, so potentially you could stay over here somewhere around.
Yeah, if you go straight, that is Yayasan Bumi Sehat. That is owned by Ibu Robin Lim, a famous midwife who helped many Balinese people here.
Balinese, and also my friend who is originally from Lombok and his wife is from England. They
Yeah.
also use her service to help when she get birth.
So now we are heading to the monkey forest area. You see, oh, this one is the Cafe Wayan.
And I'm gonna park here, by the way, because it's a good place to park. Alright, we just parked our car next to the restaurant, and this restaurant actually I didn't know, to be honest. This is also Cafe Wayan, the same restaurant what is in famous Cafe Wayan on the Jalan Monkey Forest, but this is on the other side, just on the bordering with the monkey forest on the north side, so which is super cool. Unfortunately, it's still we cannot sit inside, but they allow us to make a vlog, which is super cool. I will show you around. Meanwhile, this is the beautiful rice field what you have just at the back of the monkey forest, and there you facing this way is Jalan Monkey Forest, but between this area is the beautiful rice field still. I will show you quickly the virtual tour, how it looks, the situation in this restaurant. This warung is really beautiful. I hope so soon we can enjoy dinner or coffee or something inside. Winnie is talking with the beautiful staff here. The restaurant name is actually La Caleke, but the owner is exactly the same what Cafe Wayan. That's how it looks like. Beautiful garden. La Caleke, not paid endorsement for them, but the place is just very nice, and we decide to show you around. Beautiful entrance, decorations, stuff like this. Nice cozy place.
Alright, so if you watch Eat, Pray, Love movie, and then like last time when we were in Cafe Wayan in Jalan Monkey Forest, this also the same owner of Cafe Wayan, and then where the Julia Robert came here. Remember when she visiting the Wayan, the owner? So here it is. This one is the second branch of the Cafe Wayan, and yeah, I really like the ambience. It's beautiful.
This is actually the place where the Cafe Wayan have a cooking classes, and this is the entrance, parking, and just behind is monkey forest. So this land over here, this is the monkey forest land, and actually I see already a lot of monkeys there. They have a feeding time. I just wanna try to show you and zoom a little bit for you. Over there, a lot of monkeys. And look at this bad boys, cutie, oh, jumping. So happy to see monkeys. Oh, walking. I hope so he not gonna jump on me. And there are also some monkeys sitting here on the cables. They are cleaning each other. And two monkeys here. How are you doing, buddies? Whoa.
Jumping the king monkey, look.
Whoa, jumping, jumping. Whew. Be careful, honey. He will jump on you, maybe. This is the other side of monkey forest. That's how it looks, the situation. I think this area was quite famous long time ago, but now because it's the completely new entrance and everything, it's less popular side. Oh, this monkey have a problem with his arm.
Oh my god.
So sad. But also good thing is this monkey forest taking care of them. They have a doctors. I wanna show you. This is the, oh, maybe not, because this monkey is coming into me actually. One of the entrance of monkey forest was here long time ago, and also I wanna show you a little bit of monkey forest from here. I will just quickly come here and show you where we are actually. So if you see, oops, this is the arena, let's say. Long time ago, so many people used to be here, and now it's empty. Unfortunately, you cannot get inside it, but can confirm some monkeys are still here. One of the entrances from the monkey forest, but it's closed, as you can see. And here is the small road when the local people driving around. Here also supposed to be some warung restaurant, Bali Bohemia, something like this, but it's closed.
And
obviously.
That's the small road. Actually, if you go follow the small road, you will meet the big Jalan Monkey Forest.
Big monkey forest, only by bikes, of course, or eventually walk. Oh, sliding and passing the road. Ooh.
Oh.
See?
Oh, this is how he is.
This is how it is. Okay, we will leave them alone.
All right. Well, this Cafe Wayan also have open stage like this. As you see, they also have a performance in, a special occasion. And yeah, it's beautiful. And if we walk through this one, and we can see that beautiful rice paddies around. Wow. I just can say wow. No wonder Julia Robert really like this place. Okay, so we just took away some of the food. Now we are going back. Yeah, as we are showing that this is many homestays.
It's actually a very nice place here.
Very nice place.
It's really like such a shame as I never been here.
Yeah, we never been here actually.
This is so funny. I was thinking as I know everything in Ubud, but I explore something new. So that's so happy to hear that. Alright, here at the front is the Rayleigh Toyota Corolla.
Yeah, this one many villas.
Very interesting area of Ubud actually. A little bit not so famous, well, but it's actually nice. I like it.
So we will go straight.
Yeah, this is the one-way road system, so you have to go straight. We come from there. Where is the Ibu? What's the name of the Ibu?
Ibu Robin Lim.
Robin Lim.
So the famous midwife.
And now we are heading forward. There is also some ex-parties living. Seems
Yeah, many expats here also living. Nice.
Nice, very nice indeed.
Yeah, maybe when it's normal time, even the lady in the restaurant said when it was normal time, the Cafe Wayan in that monkey forest, 200 guests every day when normal time. And then I asked her, so how about last time, when before the PPKM restriction? And then they said, yeah, still 50 people every day. So
actually that place is kinda legendary, I could say.
Yeah, it's legendary because Julia Robert was there.
And we arrived to the main street already in Ubud.
So this one,
Traffic, the kids driving have to be
Yeah.
careful. And
Kuning Ubud.
just wanna show you a little bit of the main streets, just so you will know where we were, and basically maybe you're familiar with this area over here. And down there is the beautiful bridge and the Kayon. It's actually nice afternoon right now, golden hour begin,
Yeah.
so it's pretty nice.
Yeah, it's very nice bridge here.
Yes, it did. And then also at the front is the yoga studio,
Yoga
center,
school.
yoga school.
Ubud Yoga Center on the left. And then now we are heading to more locals living area. Yeah, this is how it is. This area is called Singakerta, Desa Singakerta, which is more local.
More local,
Yeah.
and it's obviously a little bit more busier also here. Usually when we are in Ubud, we are passing this road because I don't know, we just like to passing this road.
Yeah, we like to pass Singakerta because less traffic than if we pass the main road. So
Yeah, so that's how it looks like.
yeah, local life seems like normal. I mean, like, yeah, going out, and then
Also here on the right, if you're gonna go right,
This
maybe this is very interesting street to go right. Actually, maybe one day we're gonna make a vlog over here on the right also.
yeah,
Meanwhile, the local people cleaning here something.
yeah. I think this one is the youth organization, like cleaning, you know, in the Banjar. Alright guys, I think that's all our video today. Strolling and walking a little bit in Ubud.
And finally, we show you really something new. You cannot say as we repeat the vlog again.
Thank you so much for those people who send us email and then text us on Instagram
With the suggestions.
suggestion to visit that place. Well, actually this is the first time I went there. Okay, thank you for watching and see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. Take
Bye.
care, guys.
Stay safe.